Career in Doctor by Mohit Kumar. How I developed interest in MBBS. So my name is Mohit Kumar. I live in India. I am a student of MBBS, reading in first year. So I decided to be a doctor after reading and knowing fascinating facts about human body. So about my studies. Science is the subject which I find interesting. I secured good marks in all subjects in high school. I found few skills in myself that bring me close to the choice of profession of doctor. So now I joined International Medical Faculty of Medicine at OS State University. So skills required to be a doctor. It is important for doctor to be able to communicate well with patient, carrier, colleagues, as it is to see up a wound or read an X-ray. What do you need to become a doctor? So, deep knowledge and solid skills, high capacity for work, ability to make quick and correct decisions, having self control and high stress resistance, understanding mercy, constant self improvement, a concern for people, and interest in people, an open mind and imaginations. So, now we talk about what is the contribution of doctors in our society. So, a doctor contributes to society because if there are no doctors, people will get sick, people might take the wrong medicine, and sometimes might happen to them worst. But worst of them all, they might die, and this will happen because doctor doesn't tell them which medicine take. So, not only people will die, disease will also spread. If things like this will happen, a number of people will die, and no one will left. The uniqueness of profession. The doctor in India is considered equivalent to the god as they give a new life to people who are in need. This is really a special job to bring back the happiness in the life of people. So, why is this profession so honorable? Saving human life means to make a miracle. And how nice to see happy faces that just a minute ago you were suffering from pain and now smiling. And now they have nothing to threaten and nothing worries. Triple painful to see how children suffer and what can help them in only a true profession. A man is not indifferent to the pain of others, able to feel the pains of others is own. Qualification needed to be a doctor. To become a doctor, you need to qualify in science, math, health, and further studies, including an entrance exam for college seat. The education requirement are significant for those who want to become a doctor, but they are not only the requirement necessaries. Pay fees in order to become a doctor and attend various schools. It is important to stay on top of any exam. Then you have to clear MCI test to practice the profession in India. These are the qualifications you need. Now the equipments that doctors have. A doctor need a lot of equipments like a stethoscope to listen to people's heart, or injection to put medicine in people's body, or wheelchair to carry people around, and other things like that. It, how long does it take to become a doctor? It typically takes 5 years of undergraduate school to obtain your bachelor's, followed by additional 4 years of medicine school on several years of intensive before you can use the title of MD. On average, it can take up to 12 years to reach this goal. Keep in mind that doctors are always required to participate in ongoing education to make sure their wellspring of knowledge is current. They have to attend yearly classes in service training seminars to 100% truthful. Even after you got your medicine degree, you will never finish with schools. University that I am currently reading in. I am currently studying in medicine at OS State University. This university offers me International Faculty of Medicine, offers a great variety of courses. It is a good university to study medicine and complete the MBBS degree courses in 5 years. I am first year student and secured good marks in my exams. So these are the different types of doctors and different types of jobs you can choose after you become a doctor. Like you can be a pediatrician, neurologist, etc. Modern doctor is a specialist with higher medical education which deals with diagnosis, treatment and prevention of illness. Advantage of professionals are profession, a variety of options are specialized. You can select it according to yours, and disadvantages are too there, as there is a high risk of life for patient, and always learn new tools and about new drugs. So where do you will work after you get your MBBS degree? So municipal hospitals, private hospitals, municipal hospitals, district clinics, dispensaries, clinical diagnostic medical center, health part dispensaries, rehabilitation center, and you can also join military to help others. So now the conclusion: training of medical specialties made in special institute, education institute, medical academics, the medical faculty of state universities, and run for time to 6 to 7 years. One mixed lecture might cost a patient's life. We should not forget it is a single moment. The profession of doctor is very important and responsible. The real doctor always feels as respected from its work. So thank you for your attention.